Hi, sweetie.
What?
Okay. I am videoing.
Uh-oh, you video?
Yes. Here are some of Mobile's finest fixing to escort us down to downtown Mobile. Our annual Bikers Ball, Cain Day. This is our first. Have a huge, huge, huge crowd. There's our little red cycle right there. Like I said, this is our first, so we're excited. It's going to be a lot of fun for a good cause for our children. The weather held out this year, so I think that's really brought out a lot of people. Say there's an awful lot of bikers. Gonna be a lot of fun. We got beads to throw to the kids. So it's our American flag. And there's our First Lady. Looks like everybody's getting on their bike and getting ready. There's another one of our next First Ladies in a couple of, well, next year as a matter of fact, Miss Megan. Bye for now.